Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Claude AI download failed. Alright, so let's begin. So, in order to fix the download failed error in Claude AI, you have to follow these steps. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can cause downloads to fail before they are completed. Try restarting your router, switching to a different Wi-Fi network, or using mobile data if available, and then attempt the download again. Next, try using a different browser. Claude AI generally works best with updated browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. If the download works in another browser, the issue may be related to your original browser's settings or data. After that, clear your browser's cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl+, Shift+, Delete, select cookies and cached images and files, and then clear the data. Restart the browser and try downloading the file again. You should also check your download location and storage space. Make sure you have enough free storage on your device and that your browser has permission to save files to the selected downloads folder. If necessary, change the default download location to another folder and try again. If you use browser extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions, temporarily disable them and test the download. Some extensions can interfere with file downloads and cause them to fail unexpectedly. Additionally, your antivirus or firewall software may be blocking the download. Temporarily disable them for testing purposes and try the download again. If it works, re-enable your security software immediately and consider adding an exception for the browser if needed. If Claude generated a file link, try using save link as to download it manually. Alternatively, if the content is text or code, you can copy it into a text editor such as Notepad, Word, or Visual Studio Code and save it manually. Finally, open Claude AI in an incognito or private browsing window and try downloading the file again. This disables most extensions and uses a fresh browsing session, which can often resolve download related issues. And that's it. This is how you can fix Claude AI download failed. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.